Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Commission Builder Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about a software called Commission Builder. So this is the Commission Builder Review, and right now we are on the sales page where the commission is in golden and all the lies are in yellow. So Commission Builder steal every campaign that made us this much, $4.93 per day, clickback commission in 7 clicks. Copy your link, paste into the app, done. Everything is a lie here. $4.93 per day you might make if you have so much traffic coming to your opt-in pages or sales pages. So this is not an app. That's the second lie. Now what they're trying to say here is that they will give you some bonus pages, some review pages about a product of ClickBank, and then you can promote those pages, and if somebody comes in, then if they buy, then you get sales. Okay, so you will not be getting anything more than some pages. That's all. We bank up to this much per day. It's a lie. Plug into all our profitable these campaigns, preloaded with 100% commission campaigns. What's the meaning of all this? No experience required, works on any device instantly. Switch your affiliate link in, start 2000 I wanted to say start 2023 with what works. They're talking about themselves actually. Okay, so they are starting 2023 with what works, meaning that they are doing what has been making money for them so far. So they are launching these kind of products again and again because this is what had been making money for them. Okay, 365 day money back guarantee, which means that there are no refunds if you buy this. Their profile here, let's take a look. Plusrich, and you will see they have launched many products in the past, 26 of them, and every single product here is supposed to make money for you, which proves that it's not gonna make you any money. Okay, because if all these were supposed to make money, you will never need the new one. If their last one was supposed to make money, you will not need this one. Richard Williams is a scammer, and yeah, so when people launch shiny objects, they are nothing more than scammers, because on the sales page they are talking a language which you might think that this language, all these words, but it's a very alienatic language. You will not understand the meaning of any of this there, because if you try to understand this, you might be thinking, you will go and buy this in 20 bucks and you will make $4.93 from tomorrow, I guess. Okay, so it's a very strange English what they speak on a sales page. So if you ask me, if you buy this, will you make money? The proof is right here. If you buy their programs, only they make money and you lose. Okay, they have upsells here. So if you go and pay them how much? 14 bucks. Okay, if you give them 14-15 bucks, they make money, you lose everything, and then they will make you to buy this and this. So stay away from the garbage. This is a website, warriorplus.com, and you are not supposed to buy anything from this website, especially if it's a software. Again, the sales page is quite misleading. So let's get to the bottom, Sam, and let's get done with this. I do not know where are my chicks right now. There's supposed to be a chick here in this chair. Maybe they were in the rush. They forgot to put the chick on the chair. They have some dudes now, and let's get to the bottom. So these are all fake proofs, fake testimonials, and this and that. So I'm not sure what are you trying to achieve here. No chicks, strangely, on this page, only dudes. That's a new thing. Okay, question. So what device does this work on? Everywhere. Will I need tech skill or experience? What are you talking about? How long does it take to see my first profits? As soon you're into your grave. How about ongoing costs? What are you talking about? Pay them $1,000 today. Like, you go here and you buy all of this and then come back next month and pay them again. Is there a money back guarantee? 365 day, no refunds. I am sold. How do I lock in my discount? Click on some buy, lose now button. Okay, where is the lose now button? It should be somewhere here. So click here for losing your money. Anyways, when I'm saying losing money, well, technically you might have purchased these kind of software over and over again in your failed online career. So yeah, if you buy this, again, you will get access to some pages, and they are not even showing a demo video. So they are not even ready to show the demo video, and I have had enough of this nonsense of Warrior Plus. So I am not interested in stretching this video. I will try to wind this up. Before I wind up the video, let me put some sense in your brain. So if you go below my video, you will find a couple of miraculous links below my video in the description. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Okay, this is a really awesome way to make money online with forex trading. Now, what is forex trading? Forex trading is nothing you need to know of. Simply, you need to know that you are in America, you have US dollars. You are in Europe, you have euro. You are in the UK, you have GBP. You are in Australia, you have AUD. You are in Canada, you have CAD. Okay, so we have currencies across the globe. Now, we will be talking about major currencies such as USD, Euro, GBP, AUD, USD, CAD. Okay, so whenever these currencies go high, when the price of one currency goes up, the other currency will go down, right? So we will utilize the price movement and we will make some trades. So we will buy the currency at low price and we will sell the currency at high price and we'll make our profits. Now, that's too much work and what I'm talking about, because it's a nonsensical thing. You don't know anything about this, right? Even I do not know anything about this, but I do this now on daily basis. Rather, this software which you see here, it does everything on autopilot for me. This is a live proof right now I'm showing you. This is my live account. You can see ECN live server. Okay, and these are the live trades. So let me show you what's going on here. 15 bucks in profits as of now. Okay, now this is still in progress. So you see here, this red dot, this is a live trade I'm showing you right now while recording the video. Okay, so on one end the software is working. So you can see this one red dot means that it has bought. It has, you see here, buy. So it has bought all the currency pairs, okay, whichever we are trading in this account. And now when the profits are going to increase, so as of now I am making around, let's say, $15.61. Okay, if I want, I can manually close these trades and I can accept these 14-15 bucks profit. Okay, I will have to manually close, but we are not doing anything manually here. We will wait for the software to close the trades, because we have given the settings to the software already. Okay, so the software knows when to go and sell these trades at a higher price. And if I have to give you a number, I think probably I would be making around 25 to 30 bucks today with these trades. While I am recording this video, I'm doing nothing. I am concentrating on my YouTube video, and this thing is working in the back end. You can see the dollar amount changing now. Now it's under $2. Okay, sometimes it will go in minus as well. So there's nothing to worry or panic, because it will go in minus, because when the graph comes down, you see here, when the graph comes down, this profit will be going into minus. But the software will wait. It will wait until the graph comes back up again. And when the graph will come back up again, then you will see your profits, and that's when the software will go and close the trades in positive, and your profit, your account balance will be updated. It will increase every day whenever these trades happen. Now, you do not have to become an expert of any of this, because you will click on the first link here. You will go through the training. This training will help you to set up everything on autopilot, and then this thing will be working in the back end, and you can carry on doing whatever you want to do, and this thing will make you money. Okay, now we will talk about this in detail. Maybe I'll show you more proofs later on in this video. Second link, it says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now, because in case you are interested in making money with affiliate marketing online, affiliate marketing means that you have to sell someone else's product or your own product, and for that you need traffic. Okay, so let's take an example here. If you go and buy this commission builder, all you will be getting will be some pages, some opt-in pages, some bonus pages. Okay, but those pages are good for nothing if nobody is coming on to those pages. So how will you make people come to those pages? You will have to go and make some reviews and leave the link of your commission builder pages below your YouTube video and ask them to click on click on your links, and that is how you bring traffic. So without traffic, you will make $0 every single day, rest of your life in your life. Okay, if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you have to understand and know how to master ways to bring traffic to your offers. The free method is YouTube. So if you want to do exactly what I do, then you can check out Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to understand everything about affiliate marketing, how to make YouTube videos, how to get your YouTube channel monetize within 30 days. It will also help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only. So if you want to master YouTube and affiliate marketing, get Traffic Jarvis. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And if you want to support and contribute, then you can click on Super Thanks, okay? Subscribe is free, like is free, do that. So commission thingy, it will come and go. It will help you with nothing. Their reputation is not good, as you can see here. The rating is 2 point something, 2.7, and they are selling you everything in the name of making money online. So I will never buy anything from them. That's my choice. And what do we have? Then we have upsells, so 1937. I don't really care. I do not really care all of this about any of this. Let me see, because I don't care about any of this. That's what I wanted to say. I guess I had something in my mind. Anyway, so yeah, there's no demo video about Commission Builder, and I would say don't buy this. If you listen to me, then you listen to me. If you don't listen to me, then you lose your money and nothing more, okay? Nothing will change in your life. You had been losing money and you will carry on losing money if you don't listen to me. Okay, so Commission Builder, I would think you can skip. You can skip. If you don't buy this, you will still survive. And this thing has got nothing to do with making money anyway. And these people are lying on the sales page. They are scammers. They're scammers, and they will remain scammers as long they are alive on this planet, okay? Now, you do have genuine ways to make money online, so what are you waiting for? You go and click on the first link here, make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Come to this page, enter your email address and the name, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email, then watch the video, take action, and then implement everything and then set up the system of automation. And you can see again, we have profits 2.24. Earlier it was 1 point something. It's something which you need to get used to. Sometimes it will be in minus. Don't panic. It will come back to positive. This is how the trades work, okay? So yeah, more proof. Let me show you more proof here. So let me refresh this for you. This is my real account, okay? It's the same account in which the trading is happening right now. So if you see, the balance is 721, okay? Where's my balance? Right here. 721, okay? So when this profit will be closed, right? When these trades will be closed, maybe in next few hours, then tomorrow I will show you my balance would have increased. So you can note down my balance today, which is 721. And as soon these trades will close, the profit will be added into 721. How much that profit will be today, I will show that in my tomorrow's video, okay? So these are real proofs, and you can see here so far 70 out of 70 trades won, which means that the software has opened 70 trades and closed those 70 trades in positive, which means that the software works 100%. At least for me, it has been working 100% for me. And you will be going through the training to get results like mine. You will have to go through this training to replicate my results, and you will be contacting me on Skype here. So you will have to contact me on Skype, because this is something which you will need help with. This is not something everybody uses or does. So you will have questions and you will need a lot of support initially for at least 2 weeks from me, okay? So go through these links and subscribe. Don't go and waste your money on these things. Commission Builder, these things will come and go. These are like daily software and daily soap, so just avoid. And check out the links, subscribe, and let me see what's happening here. So again, we have $9 profit. I think this will make me around $30, but we'll see tomorrow. So I can't wait, because I can't carry on making the video because this thing will take time, okay? So let's get back here. Subscribe, like, whatever you're gonna do, and in the end, I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail now. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.